Hey everybody. So one of the topics that I think deserves discussion about is how I see so many students in undergrad and medical school being discouraged and dropping out and losing out on phenomenal careers in medicine and other healthcare professions because of the struggles they have with courses like organic chemistry and advanced molecular cell biology. Do I think these courses are important? Yes, they're important. They're important because you need to develop a rich and deep understanding in these building blocks before you can understand advanced and other things in medicine. It's essential to learn these things early on. But do I think that your grades and how well you do and how poorly you do and how badly you do in these classes, do I think they determine how good of a doctor or how good of any kind of healthcare professional you can be? No. Do not let the struggles of these courses hinder you and inhibit you from your potential, from who you can be and what kind of amazing career that you can have in medicine. And I think that it needs to be told and it needs to be understood that early on in undergrad, you're going to be doing courses like organic chemistry. And at that time, it may seem very difficult and tough, and it may deter you from wanting to do medicine. But understand and know that when you get to medical school, you'll start to do really cool courses like anatomy, like physiology, like pathology, like pharmacology. So that's waiting for you. It's there, but these are just building blocks early on that you have to get through to get there. So don't let that discourage you. Keep going, stay motivated, keep going through the struggles, and don't let these type of courses hinder you from the greatness that you can achieve and the great potential of a career that you can have.